good, y'all? Welcome back to the Smoke Your Greens YouTube channel. It is Jules, and today I'll be showing you how I make liquid IMO. This is liquid indigenous microorganisms. This is a KNF input, which is used to boost the health and diversity of your soil. So right in front of me I have my IMO pile that I've been working on for about 3 weeks now. This is a combination of wood chips, oats, and soil, both clay and loamy. This has been inoculated by the IMO. So I'll show you a closer shot in a minute, but within this IMO 4 you can see blooms of fungal life, and so this is what we're going for in our IMO tea. We want to strip that fungal life from the surface of the soil into our tea and then apply that to our plants.
So right here we have a really good example of a quality collection of IMO 4. You can see the fungal hyphae starting to travel and take over. And the reason that IMO 4 is so quality is that in addition to having decomposing fungi in there, it's also working with these microbes that work symbiotically with your plant roots. So if you've seen my page before, then you're probably familiar with this 32-gallon compost tbird that I made recently. Essentially, it is a large trash can with PVC fitting that has holes drilled in it all around, and you pump air in through here, and then it's going to be bubbling air up through your tea. So this is what we'll be using today. Alright, so for this tea I will be using 2 IMO collections, one IMO 4 collection which you've already seen, and this IMO 2 collection. This is just meant to boost diversity. This isn't necessary, but just something I'll be doing just to add more microbes. I also add about a handful of worm castings from my worm bin, just to ensure that I have enough humic acid in my tea as well, because this is what's going to really help boost and encourage the microbial life. Alright, so from here, I'm going to lower this in and suspend the bag from the top of here. Okay, so now that my IMO is suspended, the last step will be to add these 3 KNF inputs. We have OHN, which is just an overall plant health solution, FPJ, which helps with vigorous vegetative growth, and BRV, which helps essentially strengthen the waxy layer on leaves and also fight off pathogenic bacteria. And so if you don't have these, no big deal, but I will be adding these 3 in very small amounts to my mix. And the last step from here is just to turn it on and let it run for about 32 hours.